Hi, I'm Alvin from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we're going to unbox the latest upgraded version of the Dahua HDCVI series, the Dahua HDCVI Full-color 2.0 cameras. The Full-color 2.0 cameras have brand new packaging with eye-catching colors. And of course, they are all equipped with new intelligent features. Today, we're going to unbox this 5MP bullet camera model. So, without further ado, let's get this started. As you can see, compared to its old product packaging, the brand new packaging design of this product pops up more with its rich and vibrant colors, which also reflects people's pursuit of colors in life. It also utilizes UV technology that significantly enhances its durability and anti-corrosion capability. Now I'm more curious of what's inside this product. So let's dig further into it, shall we? Let's open it. Inside, you'll find this small pack. It contains the Rules and Regulations booklet, the installation guide, the QR code for downloadable documents, this L-shaped hexagon screwdriver, and some screws. Let's put this aside and let's proceed to the camera. It's just right here underneath and wrapped in plastic. So the dimension of this camera is 304 millimeters in length, 108 millimeters in width, and 91 millimeters in height. It weighs 1 kilogram, making it the heaviest camera in the entire HDCVI series. When there's a big monitoring device visible in an area, it can help deter or discourage people from committing an offense or a crime. Let me highlight some unique features of this upgraded camera. It has built-in mic that can pick up sound up to 8 meters and smart LEDs that can provide 50 meters of white light. In case of an incident such as burglary or intrusion, these features are extremely useful to deter and ward off intruders. So here's the old model of the Dahua Full-color camera. As you can see, the Dahua HDCVI Full-color 2.0 camera is bigger and heavier. But that's not it. Aside from its unique and brand new packaging, it also offers an enhanced product performance that supports intelligent features such as 3D NR, WDR, and Super Adapt, providing better visual experience and high-quality images. First on the list is its 3D noise reduction technology, or 3D NR. It adopts f1.6 aperture lens that can capture rich details even in dark environment or during nighttime. It also supports a minimum illumination of 0.001 lux. Next, this camera is also equipped with Wide Dynamic Range technology, or WDR. Compared to its previous version, the HDCVI Full-color 2.0 camera supports up to 130 decibels through WDR, which offers clear details even under an environment with strong brightness contrast. Another cool feature of this camera is its Super Adapt technology. It enables the camera to identify whether the current environment is indoor, outdoor, or under wide dynamic range, allowing it to automatically adjust its parameters to match the actual scene. This greatly eliminates manual image optimization on the camera after installation. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Dahua HDCVI Full-color 2.0 camera. Now I know why this camera right here got so much bigger and heavier. It's stacked with so much new cool features. Amazing, right? So once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant Alvin, and see you next time for another informative video right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.